Welcome back everybody to another watch video, and this is absolutely brilliant. This is not going to float everybody's boat, no pun intended. I've seen negative comments about this on the internet, but I love it. So that's all that matters, and I'm sharing it with you now just to give you some of my opinions on it. This, as it says in the title, is a reissue of the Alsta Nautoscaph Superautomatic dive watch worn by Richard Dreyfuss in the movie Jaws. I'm going to put a link below to the actual Alsta website. They've got some more information on there, lo and behold, about how the watch is a little bit bigger than the original. It's made using obviously more modern components, so on and so forth. But I had to have this watch. I was made aware of it probably the second week of December 2019, so just before Christmas. Through Alsta's website, I went to one of the official dealers and sourced this watch, and it was with me on Christmas Eve. I couldn't believe the service. It was absolutely brilliant. It's my favourite movie of all time. Many of you know this. I'm absolutely nuts on Jaws. Jaws is my favourite movie of all time. This watch is limited, 1,975 pieces. So 1975, the year of my birth, the year of my favourite movie of all time. So ultimately I just had to have this watch with being a watch fan. It ticked all the boxes for me personally. So here we are, this is it. And I absolutely love it. Like I said, there'll be more information in the link that I'll provide below. But yeah, I absolutely love it. It's amazing. You know, there's not much to it. It's an automatic. It's got a date there. Apparently it's got a Seiko movement in it. Now, I'm not an expert on the movements. I love Seiko, as many of you know. Seiko is one of my favourite watch brands. So there being a Seiko movement in there, whether it's high end, low end, medium or whatever, doesn't matter to me. It's a Seiko movement. It's keeping time as well. I say it's keeping time. It's running about 5 seconds fast every day. And that's within the tolerance of plus 15, minus 15 seconds a day. So that's pretty good for me. I've been wearing the hell out of it. It did seem to be running about 10 seconds fast a day initially, but it's settled down to 5 seconds. So I do believe that wearing a watch and getting it running sort of style helps it basically, and gets things, again, no pun, ticking along nicely. But I love it. I love it. Like I say, it blows me away. Back of the watch there, 8 of 1975, you've got the Nautoscaph Superautomatic logo there and an engraving of a shark. And of course the 999 feet depth rating there, or 30 atmospheres. So give or take a couple of feet. Who's going to go down to that depth? I'm not too sure. I'm certainly not. Probably put it in a bath at some point, but there you go, you see. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with people. I absolutely love it. Like I say, I'm over the moon with it. It is amazing. And I've been wearing the hell out of it. And on my 7-inch wrist, it fits really well. It wears really, really well. Very, very happy with it. So there it is on the wrist. Really, really nice. Wears really, really nice. Very, very comfortable. By the way, just a quick one, this copy of the book that I've got here, I was never a fan of the book Jaws. As I read the book years after I'd seen the movie. My father kept pushing me to read it, saying the book was better than the movie. And he'd read the book obviously on initial release. I read the book and I thought it was awful. I always thank Peter Benchley for the characters he gave us and the backstory and everything like that, but the book, I didn't care for it. But saying that, I've got various copies of the book. This is my all-time favourite cover. I remember seeing that shark on the cover of this book. I know it's not the original movie poster, but it just creeps the hell out of me. That nighttime kind of silhouette there with the albino shark on there, and that, you know, it just creeps the hell out of me. Anyway, there you go, I'll shut up now. So a quick 5-minute video for once. Yeah, just wanted to share this with people. And again, I like it, I love it. Thanks for watching guys, take care, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.